I've just been informed we're having a huge Dometic 20% off Labor Day sale over here at Nomadic Cooling, HQ3, Glendale, Arizona. You know what I always say, guys, if you want to go further in comfort, go further with 20% off. But I can't lie to you, the stuff behind me, the RTX 2000s from Dometic are not on their 20% off sale. I don't know why, guys. I don't make the rules. They're refrigerators, they're coolers, let's show them some of the good stuff that we have in stock for their Labor Day sales. Take a look. We have over 300, and I would probably say 50 Dometic RTX in stock right now. We have tons of Dometic CFX coolers in stock. These are all 20% off over the holidays. Come on back. We have just come in and seen them in the wild, okay? These are in nature, Nomadic Cooling, shipping extraordinaire, packaging and shipping. I know everybody loves to see Isaiah. Isaiah, say hello. Hi. Okay, come on outside. How many pallets are we shipping out today? We have 15 pallets going out today. Just a typical day over here at Nomadic Cooling. We have air conditioners going to, where's some of these things going to, Brandon? Let's take a look. Utah, Tennessee. Let's keep rolling around. Oh, what are those? This is a perfect time for explain to customers what these are.
Premium gasket.
I gotta be honest with you, if you are buying an RTX 2000, you should get the gasket because it makes your install, I wouldn't say 100 times better, but at least 10 times better, because the gasket that comes with it, well, it's just not that good. This is better. Let's go in and let's take a look and see what else we have, guys. And I know what you're thinking. These guys should clean up around here. I agree. Let's go back and see what our stock levels are at. We only have less than 10 Victron 200 amp hour batteries left, but if you look over here, it looks like we have probably close to 30 Victron 330 amp hour batteries, a bunch of inverters over yonder shipping station. These are all the electrical packages going out today right here. This is everybody who doesn't like to be on camera, who's hiding from the camera, nothing to be seen. Everything that you see right here is actually going to be on the new tab in the website, either called closeout or clearance or open box. Stuff that we've had around where the box has got a little bit of a ding or a dang or a scratch, an imperfection on the box, and we are going to be selling them at rock bottom discount prices. And when I say rock bottom discount prices, I really mean just as cheap as Emma will allow us to sell these things for, so that we can get them out of here. So everything's been moved up here. It will move to the website to be sold at the discount prices. Go to nomadiccooling.com, give us all your money. We're not bashful about it. We need your money so we can pay for our rent and all these beautiful employees and all of these puppies. 20% of all Dometic that are in stock and ready to rock, except for the RTX 2000. I don't know, I don't make the rules. Guys, so if you want to go further in comfort with cold air technology that's at a discount, go to nomadiccooling.com today. And Roxy says, have a great day.